Yo, what's every penny counts? I want to show y'all cash out on this site called Get Upside. It's a site, the app that I've been using for a little bit over a month now. I made a video about it and I want to show you guys my second cash out and basically what I'm doing with this app. It's a really good app. I think it's an app that everybody can definitely use. So I'm just going to show you some things here that I'm doing. And click on it real quick. The link to this app will be in the description. It's a cashback app. You see here you get cash back for gas. They have groceries coming soon. That's not actually there yet. Click on that. See, they haven't actually gotten it there, but there is. If I can go back to food, you see here they have places like Wendy's, 35% cash back. You know what I'm saying? It's like, depending on where you are, the more restaurants you'll see. Right there, Popeyes, 20% cash back. So right now I'm at home. So these are the restaurants that offer cash back that are closest to me. A lot of times when I'm just out and about doing stuff, it'll show different restaurants. So it really just depends on your area, where you're at. But you see here at the top, I have $17.14. All right. So basically, like I said, like with the food, that's what you do. You just go here, any of these places, you can pay with, I believe you can pay with your card or cash. It doesn't really matter. But the main thing is take a picture of your receipt. And when you take a picture of your receipt, make sure it shows the address, the place where it's at. Because like, say for instance, you go to this Wendy's, make sure the picture shows that address. It shows the time, and it shows how much you spent. Those are the very most important things because that's going to determine how much cash back they give you. All right. Now I get a lot of money cash back, obviously, just with food. Like if you spend, $10 at Wendy's, you're going to get at least $3 back. Just that simple. So you can really add up your money with this app. Gas, if you have a car, definitely you got to get gas. And my bad, you got to get gas. So let me show you how that works. They have a lot of gas stations on here. Again, just like with the food, it'll show you the ones that are closest to you. I go to Shell gas station a lot. That's like really right down the street from me. You see here, the regular gas price is $2.45 right now. But if I use this cash back offer, I'll get 7%. I'll get 7 cents cash back on each gallon. You know what I'm saying? It'll show you different gas stations here. You see a lot of different ones. So you just pick really which one you want. Like I said, I always go to Shell just because it's right there. It's closest to me. So now I'm getting paid to actually get gas, which is really, really good. Getting cash back on that. And that's really what it is about this. It's really not much to this site. Same thing with the gas. Whenever you get gas, a lot of people just forget to get their receipt because they just worry about the gas, which is understandable. But you have to get your receipt in order to get the cash back. So me, I always pay at the pump. And, if it asks you at the end, do you want your receipt? Always say yes and take a picture of it. Same thing. Make sure it shows the address. Make sure it shows how many gallons you bought, your total purchase, all that kind of information. It'll kind of show you when you're uploading your receipt, like what they're looking for. It's basically the things I just named: date, time, address, things like that. And don't throw your receipt away until you get the points or the dollars, the money in your account. Because what happens is, like it happens to me a couple times, I will take a picture and for whatever reason I forget like some information or they didn't really read it clearly, and so I have to take a picture again. But if you throw away the receipt, obviously you can't resubmit the receipt. So just make sure you don't throw away your receipt until you've been credited. All right. So again, you see here my balance is $17.14. Let me see if I can find my lifetime, how much I've made with this site. Yeah, history. Click on that. I made $23.29. So I've already cashed out. I think it was like $6 I cashed out a while ago. And you see here, just the things I'm doing. I'm really not a big fast food eater, but it's like when they're offering cash back, I usually go there and get something. Like I think yesterday I got like a salad and a drink or something like that. So I got $3.49 cash back. The day before that, same thing, $3.46. Shell, it gave me, I got 41 cents cash back and 32 cents. Right there, you see issues found. The thing about that is, let me click on it so I can actually show you. I'm actually a member of a Shell Rewards program, so I already get cash back on the gallons anyway. I think I get like 3 cents cash back. So I use that offer and this offer and I combine them. So basically what they're telling me with the issues found is that they just had to credit me appropriately because I can't use all my promotions. It's like you can't use 2 coupons in one type thing. So that's basically what it is. If I tap to learn more, it'll show you, I believe. Yeah, you successfully stacked promotions to earn more cash back. Since another promotion was applied to your purchase, like a rewards card or coupon, we had to adjust your get upside cash back to account for the cost of the other promotion. So that's basically what it is. Multiple discounts applied. That's all it was. So just going back to my history real quick, just to show you that I've been using this. I think I started in May, I believe it was. And that's basically what I was doing. It's showing you the cash back that I'm getting. Oh, actually, I started in April, but it's like I was kind of playing around with it in April because I really didn't know if it was like trustworthy. You see these here, I was just trying to see how it kind of worked. That's basically why I didn't get anything. I didn't even go to these places down here. But when I got more familiar with the site and I started to trust it, then I started using it heavily. You know what I'm saying? Like I was getting cash back basically with gas and food. That's all I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? Just like sometimes if I'm hungry, I was like, all right, what's on get upside? You know, Wendy's 35% cash back. Let me go there. Let me get paid to eat. So you see that I made $23.29 my lifetime. Right now I have $17 and I'm going to cash out right now. You can cash out on this site at $1. Okay, a minimum of $1, but they will charge you a fee if it's under $15. All right, so just keep that in mind. They have gift cards here that you can choose from. Usually all gift cards that they have. So if you download the app, you can kind of see which one you want. And they also have PayPal. You can get a check sent to you. Okay, so right there, PayPal, mail a check. I'm going to do PayPal. You want to cash out $17.14. Continue at the bottom. It'll be delivered to my PayPal account. I submit. Bam. Your PayPal account, your PayPal cash out was sent. It'll be there in 12 to 24 hours. So it doesn't take that long to get here. It'll be probably tomorrow morning. And that's basically what it is with this app, y'all. Y'all got to get it. If you're going to get gas, you're going to eat, you got to have to do these things. So this is an app you definitely need. The link to the app will be in the description. And it's something I want to show you real quick to help you make even more money. If I go to the top, if I can click on it right. I don't know why it's not working. But anyway, I'll kind of show you my code, because with your first offer, you can actually get 15 extra cent with every, like if your gas, like you see here, let me go to gas. You see here, it says 7 cents cash back. If it's your first time using the app, they'll add an extra 15 cents. You'll be getting 22-cent cash back if you use my link, if you use my code to the app. I'm trying to show you on the, let me see if I can back out and just do it again. I'm trying to show you where it says that at real quick. Right here, invite friends. You see there, give a friend an extra 15-cent cash back on their first offer. And there's my code right there. So I want you to use that code when you sign up with this app. When I ask you to your invite code, type that code in. That way you can get your extra 15 cents. If you don't use a code, you're just going to get regular promotion that they're offering, which is not bad, but you know, definitely want the 15 extra cent. So definitely use this code. It'll be in the description. And use this app, y'all. If you eat, if you get gas, which two things that mostly everybody does, you might as well get paid for it. So this app allows you to do that. Again, it is a Get Upside app. It looks just like that. And start getting cash back. You'll be surprised at how fast it adds up when you're doing things you have to do every day anyway. So get this app. Links in the description. Use my code so you can get that extra 15 cent and start putting money in your PayPal account. You see, I just cashed out $17.14 with it, so it's legit. I've cashed out before. It takes a day to get to you, and I'm liking the app, so y'all got to get with it. Again, sign up. If you're new to my channel, like, share, comment, definitely subscribe. If you're interested in making money online for free, that's what I'm all about. That's what I'm here for. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. I'm here for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Just helping everybody make money online. That's what it's about. All right. So sign up today. Use my code. And always remember, every penny counts.